Hi! So nice to see you! Come on in. This is amazing. It's so much lighter than I thought it would be.
Yeah.
It's absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh, it's a feast for the eyes. And look, it's so clever the way you've zoned it out as well.
Because obviously it's a little studio, we had to be really, really careful with like how we're going to really utilise all the little spaces within it. And I'm pleased you said it's light because that was one of my main things, is I wanted it to be a really light space. And that's why we went with the pale pink, so it warms it up. Actually, over here is then my favourite area. Sam and I love to host. I found these scaffolding boards on eBay. They were like £5 a board.
Oh gosh, love it.
Sanded them down, treated them. Actually, this table used to seat 12. And so for a flat that's only, I think, 600 square feet, it was a bit excessive. So Sam and I actually, a couple of weekends ago, just saw it down and now it sits 6 comfortably.
Fits amazingly well in the space. And having that rug zoning it as well. People think they have to go huge on rugs, but
no, like a little runner to just go underneath it, zones it out, separate to the sitting room. Then I found these on eBay.
Cinema seats are lovely. And again, having the cinema seats and like any fixed seating in the space, again, just kind of zones that area, doesn't it? And then the plants are so nice to add a little bit of height and drama as well, and a bit more colour and texture.
So I just wanted to play with the eye and like have things at different levels, just to sort of bring height to the room. The plants that we use, it brings out the tones within the paint.
Yeah.
And I love pink and green. It's just my favourite combination.
And oh my word, I've got to say, look what you've done with that bedroom space. So clever what you've done here with this crystal style glazed screen as well. Again, it helps zone it, but it lets all the light in.
It was like the first thing on my list that I wanted to put in because I did want the bedroom to feel separate to the rest of the house. I think when you live in a studio, open plan with a kitchen and a living room, absolutely fine. But the bedroom, you wanted that feeling of going to bed.
Absolutely.
This was the picture that sort of pulled the inspiration for the whole flat.
Often our clients come to us with a piece of artwork. We've talked about choosing colour schemes for rooms, and quite often it starts off with a piece of artwork that might have a story behind it and kind of pull colours from there as well. And again, you've linked the colour palette throughout, slightly different patterns and textures, but the kind of blush and the green, it's amazing.